So, why are we here?
You said that the reason the rain is because of me, right? So, maybe bringing all of my emotions to the start will do something.
So has it done anything?
No. Let's go for a walk.
Could we, get some food first?
Yeah.
What? You never seen a naked girl before?
Yeah, but... No, my best friend, see.
Calm down. Why are we even talking about this? We came here to find Tom and talk, not about some naked girl.
Yeah, you're right. Let's go find him.
But we don't know where to look.
Oh. Yeah, wait! The college!
Oh yeah.
How did we forget about that?
I guess I had other things on my mind.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Cut that out. Anyway, let's get going.
Hey guys! Wait! Wait for me!
No. Oh, no. She's coming back. Just when I got those images out of my head. That's fabulous.
Quiet.
Isn't it? That's just oh, hey, Nikki.
Yes, Nikki?
Where are you going?
Out?
Well, I know that. I mean, where exactly?
To the college.
Why? Why did you have to tell her that?
What?
I want to come. I want to come.
Ted.
What? College?
I want to come.
Sure. What? I thought I was playing along with you.
Okay, let's go.
I'm lonely.
Sir? Why are you depressed?
No one watches this show!
I watch this show.
By the way, I completely despise you.
Sir? We have visitors.
Really?
Nice place you got here. I could use this.
Yeah?
I like the view.
No smoking.
What?
You can't smoke in here. We barely have enough oxygen. We don't need you sucking it all up.
That's cold, man.
What?
What the hell?
Why is the station shaking?
Oh, crap. Oh, shit.
So, Tom,
Yeah?
what's the problem?
What problem?
Oh, come on now, Tom. I'm here to help you. Tell me what the problem is.
My parents need tombstones.
Oh. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Weird, right?
Really?
Yeah.
So, why the problem with the ring?
Whenever it rains, like right now, it may be because of how I'm feeling. Because I'm sad, it rains.
So, what happens when you're happy?
Well, that never happens. I'm never happy.
And why is that?
There's too much going on to be happy. Work, life, money. Everything all at once can kill a guy.
You're still here. That's something to be happy about, right? Right? Right?
I guess.
I don't think we found out exactly what's getting to you. Maybe it's your parents passing. Maybe it's your life. Maybe it's just what you have left in you.
In me?
Let's go back to the school, shall we?
Aw, damn it! That's the 5th red light in a row.
Calm down, will ya?
I agree. At least we have lights. Without them, there would be no one to guide us.
Wait, what? What?
She does have a point.
We're almost there, yes.
Almost.
So, Ted, I heard you lost your V-card to that weird girl from school.
What? Where'd you hear that? Because it's not true.
Wow, really?
Well, Aaron told me.
Why you do that? Why you do that?
Keep talking fast like that, you'll be speaking another language.
Aaron!
Calm down. It wasn't true.
Wait, so you're still a virgin, Ted?
Aaron!
What?
Wait, now she knows I'm a virgin.
Oh, don't feel so bad. That's kind of cool.
What? What? Really?
Yeah, waiting for the perfect fit in your life. Sounds amazing.
You know, I never thought of it that way.
I've come up with a few things.
And that is?
Well, come over and I'll show you.
We're here.
Well, I must thank you.
For what?
Now she thinks I'm cool.
Whatever. You're still a virgin.
So what? Damn. That's one tall building. Kind of intimidating.
So now the virgin is scared of buildings.
Hey! Quoted by Nikki, I'm a cool virgin. Right, Nikki?
Right.
Haha. See?
Whatever. We came here to find Tom. Let's go in.
It's okay. I got this. Come on.
Hey, idiot.
Huh? What?
It says pull.
Right. It's pull. Hey, I'm still cool, right?
Of course.
Ladies first.
Thanks.
Virgins last.
You know, you're not gonna drop that, are you?
I've read this online where instead of being your case, weather affects human emotion. Do you think this rain has affected your emotions?
I don't think so.
I think the rain has showed you something you're not prepared to face. I think you're scared.
Where do we go?
Would you shut up for a few minutes, please?
Hey! There's some stairs up ahead. Maybe that's our way.
Only one way to find out.
Don't go too far.
I like you too.
Huh?
So, I'm even cooler. I'm even cooler, yeah?
Just look forward.
Scared of what?
Change. Even though you said you weren't close to your parents, you must have known that they were your backup.
Backup?
You always had someone helping you every time, regardless of relationship. Now that they're gone, you've retreated into confusion. Your reinforcements are gone, Tom. Gone forever. All you have now is you and your friends. I'm sorry, but you must let go and move on.
Hey, do you know where a guy called Tom is? Hey, you! Lab coat guy, yeah. Ouch!
Don't just go shouting at random people.
Ow! God damn it!
Well, what my friend really meant to say was, have you seen our friend Tom?
Ow!
We're kind of looking for him.
Ow! God, what?
Tom?
Yeah, he said he had to stop by the college to see someone. Is that someone you?
Yes.
Oh, so you've seen him?
Keep your voice down.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. Sorry.
Unfortunately, you just missed him.
What?
Where did he head off to?
The cemetery.
Cemetery?
The cemetery? Why?
You didn't yell at her.
Quiet, virgin.
Oh, come on.
Why did he go there?
To figure out what he needs to know. I'm sorry, but I need to head home. And, you better head home as well. There's a big rainstorm coming soon.
You smoke those cancer sticks, you shit! It'll set the balance of the oxygen in the station, causing it to drop.
Ghost Rider's terrible.